So I got the Torque Solutions polyurethane bushing printed out with the slots in 95A TPU in red. This is courtesy of Vampire, Vampyre 13 on Instagram. He also goes by Derek Aquino. He does all the TC2 content on YouTube. Turns out Torque Solutions, when they remade the motor mount for the TC2, all they did was reuse the bushings from the TC1 so that they didn't have to make new size bushings. They probably just changed the bracket itself. And so the good news is the design that Derek did with the slots for the TC2 also work for the TC1. So we get these on, we'll see how they work. Thanks. So first thing I'm gonna do is hammer out this insert, and I'm using a number 12 just to get that guy out. Got a new vise set up here. This is actually my dad's old vise, and you'll be able to make that work. Somehow. Hey Meta, start recording. Oh. Oh shit. Let's get a smaller one. 11. Hey Meta. There we go. Alrighty. Let's use a little bit of bushing grease. Just use some in here. Just a little bit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a nice fit. Wow. All right. That's great. Nice job, Derek. Nice job on this design. Let's see how well that works. I gotta take photos for content.
Got it in. Ooh, that looks good. Let's look at it from the bottom. Right there. I think it's gonna work. Get it fired up. Let's see what it do.